All right, everybody. Again, welcome. I am back in the office today. Good to be back. As you can see here, our inventory is pared down quite a bit. I like seeing that, right? We always want to get in, we get out. We get in, we get out. We trade a lot when it's appropriate. We scale back when it's appropriate. Okay, so we have a lot of gunpowder ready to go here for anything that comes available to us, which I like a lot. One thing I want to get into right when we open up here, a student asked about specific to trading a put, and the answer is it won't matter if it's a call or a put. Do we look to trade the bid or the offer? Okay, so I'm going to have a discussion on that right after the opening here, just as we see what's going on. Pre-market here, market's up a little bit. S&Ps are up 4 or so. Dow's looking to open up about 60 points.